Jack, o terceiro filho de Charlotte, não é autista. Observando os vídeos de George e Sam quando eram bebês e comparando-os com Jack, Charlotte percebeu os sinais sutis de autismo que só se tornaram evidentes mais tarde.
Everyone was kind of on the edge of their seats about Jake as to whether he would be autistic or not. I think the moment when I absolutely thought, no, he's not, definitely, is he was just walking and he had a biscuit and he was in the garden and he went round the corner and came back weeping with no biscuit. And he came up to me and said, Mummy, bicket, or words to that effect, and led me to where the biscuit was stuck into the spout of the watering can. And the point of that is that he knew that he had to tell me. And George or Sam at that age wouldn't have come to fetch me and they would not have shown me what the problem was, because like most autistic people, George and Sam only have the dimmest idea that I don't know everything that they know.